Good morning. Today with my Road King, I'm going to show you a simple way to get the bike off the ground with a regular automotive jack. It seems like it's simple, which it is. If you've never seen it before, you don't know. And with that, I'm going to grab the jack, put it under the front, and lift the front up. Now with a piece of carpet, I always place this. Turn the front wheel to your left. Now what you're doing is you're taking this floor jack, a regular automotive floor jack, a nice piece of carpet, get it under the frame. In the beginning, just hold it to make sure. I always start by putting it to the left and then I guide it up. As you see, it's easier to clean the rim, bleed the brakes, do whatever you have to do. It's off the ground. I sometimes will even take the front wheel off to put rubber on it. With that, I just wanted to show you what it is pivoting off is the back and the kickstand. Don't get no easier than that, but it is a big help when you want to clean these rims. Now I'm going to do the back tire. Now to lift the rear wheel off the ground. What I did was remove the bag. So let's say you want to do brakes or you want to clean your rim. What you'll do now is same thing, turn the wheel to the left. It's going to pivot on the front wheel and the kickstand. I take my automotive floor jack, I put it under. On this bike, I put it under the transmission pan. It's solid. With that, nice and slow. And this is off the ground. Now for cleaning your rear wheel, you can't get no better. Everybody should have an auto jack, and this will work on most cruisers. I use it on the Hondas, the VTXs, the Suzukis, the Harleys, the Sportsters. If I'm going to just do some quick work and I need this wheel to spin, it's better than getting that jack, putting the thing up in the air. That's not needed. So with this quick automotive jack, it's up and I feel it's safe. Let me know what you think. If you could, please thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe. Ride safe and have a great day.